Can I take you to dinner?
How's July 19th?
3 months from now?
How is it even possible that my husband left me for an older woman? You're supposed to leave me for like Gigi Hadid, not Ina Garten.
You can't just leave me like that. I needed lunch and I was scared.
I'm so sorry.
This is why we need a spa weekend. Massages, champagne, big comfy robes.
The last time I had a massage was like my last mammogram.
Girl, I worry about you sometimes. I just booked a room.
What?
We're going on a spa weekend, bitches!
Welcome and namaste.
It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
I'm Shanti.
She looks like girl Jesus.
I never want to go home. I miss my kids.
What?
No, I don't miss my kids.
Is that Mel?
What's up, you middle-aged sluts? Hey.
On your right is one of the outdoor yoga classes.
Jane, he is checking you out. Get over here, yeah, you. Come on, Magic Mike. This is Jane.
Nice to meet you, Jane.
She's on the older side, but she's got a porno body. Stand up, show your body. No, show him you do that.
I sense a great deal of stress in all of you.
Oh my God, my boss is calling me again. You guys need to just stand up for yourself. Stop calling!
Hanging out with your friends is essential to our survival.
The most important thing is you guys. If you need anything, I'm here for you. This whole spa thing is such a scam. Namaste. You're supposed to walk out of here all centered and chill. Do we look chill to you?
Not really.
Hey, you guys.
Not doing anything weird or illegal.
You know, manotantric massage. It's
I know what you're up to. This place hires good-looking Australian guys to flirt with all the moms. It's not gonna work on me, Crocodile Dundee. Whoa, how are you doing this?
the human hand has.
Don't talk. Let's go to the left. To the left. To the left.
Welcome to Goat Yoga.
Guys, I think I burned my fupa.